Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn. In case you're new, you're most definitely welcome. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this. Yes, so you're going to see how I achieved this look. It's very simple, very quick. Then keep on watching. Also, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much guys for your support, and I always appreciate you. So let's jump into the video. Hey guys, I'm back with another video and I'm going to show you how I achieved the look that you've seen. So I'm starting with Huda eyeshadow, and I'm gonna start off with this brown shade at the corner, at the right corner. So I'm just gonna put that on my crease and at the outer corner of my eyes. Yeah, it's the same color that I'm using as my transition shade, and it's the color that I'm going to put on my outer corner of my eye. So just blending in everything together. So now I was just dancing to the music that was in the background. So back to work now. I'm using a bigger brush to blend all that color in my skin. So next I'm taking that brown shade, but it's a kind of shimmer, and before I put that shade there, I used my concealer to remove any fallouts of color that I put on my crease. And now I'm using a brush to blend it. I didn't want to go for a cut crease, so now it's just a matter of putting the color by just tapping it on your skin and then blending it after you're done putting it on your skin, like using tapping motions actually. So right now I'm using a bigger brush to just blend everything together. You just need to blend your makeup, the eye makeup, face makeup, lips. You just have to blend so that everything can come out right. So now I'm adding some more brown color on the outer corners of my eyes so that I can darken it a little bit more. Now I'm using my W7 eyeliner to draw a wing liner. So now it's mascara time, and I'm just using a little bit of mascara before putting the fake lashes. And now I'm putting some black eyeshadow on the bottom, just below my bottom lashes, slightly below, and I'm using a brush that I can blend it in. So now guys, on my waterline I decided to use a white color, and since I did not have a white eyeliner, I went for a white eyeshadow, and I'm using Huda Beauty Mink lashes. They're so natural. And now I'm applying primer, Kiss Beauty primer, on my skin before putting my foundation. So now I'm basically putting orange color corrector. I usually tell you guys that I usually have a little black spot on my cheeks, and I use the color corrector to hide that. Yeah. So now I'm getting in with my Maybelline 355. Oops. So now I'm just using my brush to blend everything, and then I came back with my sponge to like blend everything and make everything look like skin, I bet, because the sponge tends to make the foundation like really stick on your skin. And I'm getting in with my concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm gonna use that to highlight my face. So now I'm basically contouring my face just below my bone, my cheekbone, I mean, and on the forehead along the hairline. It makes your forehead look smaller and your face look slimmer. So now I'm using my beauty blender, the one that I used to blend my foundation, to blend in the contour, and I'm using such a buttercup, and I'm gonna use that all the places that I highlighted. Now I'm contouring my nose. Hey, everyone wants a slim nose. Yeah. So all I'm doing is drawing the contour just next to where I put the concealer. I hope you understand that. So right now I'm just removing the excess powder that I used to bake my face, just wiping it off using my powder brush. So now I'm just setting my contour. And now it's time for setting your face. I'm just drying it, fanning it. So for my lip liner, I used Davis number 18 to line my lips, I mean. And then I got in with my Maybelline New York palette. Guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, just click the subscription button down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much, guys, for helping me reach 400 subscribers. So this is the road to 1000 subscribers, and I'm so happy. I really appreciate you guys. So see you in my next